How to save videos to watch later on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can save videos to watch later tab on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have TikTok account, you like a certain video that you might think you might want to watch later on as well, so you want to save this video to your watch later. Now by default, you can see we have very limited options. So what we're going to do is you can see this little down like flag icon, right under the comment tab and above the share tab. Here you can see this icon. When you tap on it, this tab or this video will get added to your favorites, which means that this video has been saved. Now if I want to actually go ahead and then view these messages later on, what I need to do is I need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and then right here you can see the saved icon like earlier. When you tap on it, you should be able to see a list of messages that you have saved over here, as you would be able to find it. And now you can go ahead and then view that video if you like. This way you should be able to go ahead and then save videos to watch later on TikTok. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.